Are you ready to take it to the next level? Yes, we're ready. We're ready, Mr. Snake. Take us. Then we're going there, because this concept is going to take you and turn you into a better pilot. I've never heard anyone talk about this, so you're in for a real treat. I just want to share with you a simple concept that will help you unlock your mind to learning to become a better pilot faster. I think that this will help you become a better pilot faster than anything else. You want to feel the connection between you and your drone. And the way to do that is to understand the way the drone moves, to understand how it feels. And if you are able to do this, you will become a muy good pilot. And that's what we all want, okay? When you have your drone up in the air, go fly up high above the tree lines, okay? New beginners, I think when you start flying, don't fly around low to the ground near everything. Like maybe like a field, if you're lower to the ground, then it's not going to fall as far and it's not going to break as many things. But listen to this, okay? I think that when you're new to flying, the first thing that you should do is go up into the air, flip forwards, flip backwards, and do rolls. And learn the timing of your rolls. Learn that stick, like learn with the sticks to get that muscle memory for how long it takes for you to do a half roll and to do a full roll. And once you're done doing that, that's the number one thing that you should do right off the beginning. Go up high where you have enough time to fall and like reorientate yourself. But do that over and over again. So do full spins, full flips, and then once you've got that down pat, then you're ready to move on to this next thing. If you're holding your controller like a regular person, like some people have funny ways of setting up their gimbals and whatever, for that, you have to figure out what works for you. But first fly the sims, because if you fly the sims, that will get you kind of the stick feel and it'll teach you kind of what everything does. But then here, know that in the sims, whenever you're like falling sideways, or in real life too, let's say you're in the air and you're like, oh, you're turned sideways and you don't know what to do, and then everyone starts yawing and getting more confused and they're just like, oh no, what the heck, I don't know what to do. Remember, when you're stuck sideways or somewhere weird, you ignore the yaw. You always are going to get yourself imbalanced with this stick, with your pitch and with your rolls, okay? So if you're stuck sideways, all you're gonna have to do is roll. Or you're stuck looking down, all you gotta do is pitch and roll. You'll always have to pitch and roll. Whenever you're stuck in some weird position, pitch and roll is your answer. Throttle is not your answer, cut the throttle. Don't yaw, use pitch and roll. Pitch and roll will take you out of any time that you're all in a weird mess. So figure that out in the sims. But the concept that will really get you getting better, that will really change everything, is this simple thought. You can pitch or roll in any direction twice, and it'll make you right side up. You heard that? So if you pitch or you roll in any direction twice, basically a half spin, as soon as you do a half spin, in any two directions, you'll be right side up. Okay, ready? Watch this, okay? So, you're going to pitch forward, you're upside down. Now you pitch forward again, you're up. Now you pitch backwards. You pitch backwards again, you're up. Now, you roll. Same thing. You keep rolling, you're up. But you can combine any of these. So you're going to roll to the left, see you're upside down, and now you're going to pitch forward, and you're right side up. You're going to pitch backwards, and then you're going to roll to the right, and you're right side up. No matter which direction you go, you can just keep going. You can just forward, backwards, backwards, forwards, to the left, to the right, and forwards, to the right, and backwards. Like, no matter which two directions you pitch and roll, you'll always be right side up if you do the half turn properly. So that's why it's so important to first go up above the trees, learn how long it takes for you to spin, learn how long it takes for you to roll, get those things in your head, in your mind, get it all connected till you really feel it, and then start working on half turn, half pitch, half pitch, half turn, and just keep doing different combinations of that over and over again. And then start, you know, you don't want to just do flick, 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 flick. You can do the flick flicks and that'll be fun, but you can learn to kind of do it then slowly. See, you go like this and then you roll, and then you roll, and then you pitch, and you teach yourself to get these movements nice and smooth. And it's super fun, it's super simple, and it will really help you to understand the way that your drone moves, the way that it flies, and it will help you to get that connection to your drone, and it will just help you to feel more confident. It'll make you a much better flyer. Now here is a video of me basically putting this stuff to use. I want us to be more than just acquaintances. I want us to be friends. So I hope you like it. I hope you like it. I hope this helps you. If it does, tell me about it. Tell me about your experiences. And don't forget to smash that like button.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Do you want to take your skills to the next level? The mailman is like, what the heck is going on? Okay, wait, let's try this again. Not to say that you're a little sissy if you do, but... Anyways. Are you ready? Are you ready to take your flying to the next level? Then this is the video for you. So don't go anywhere, because I'm going to share with you a secret concept that no one else talks about. Sure, we've seen trick tutorials. People teach you all sorts of different things to do. I've heard people say, fly around slow and gently till you get used to it. And sure, you can do that, but don't you want to be more? Don't you want to be a real pilot? Don't you want the sky to be your playground? Well, I'm going to share with you a concept that will open up your mind to becoming a better FPV pilot. Are you ready? It's simple, and anyone can do it. So welcome to welcome to Learning for Beginners, FPV. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I am Hans, and I am here to help you become better pilot. Do you want to be number one? Yeah, I want to be number one too. We can all be number one together. Actually, no, we can't. There's only one winner and everybody else is loser.